Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will discuss about how to fix all the Wi-Fi related issues in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe this channel for more updates. So friends, let's get started. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option system, then tap on advanced, then tap on the option reset options. Then here you can see reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on this one. You can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on the option reset settings. If you tap on this one, it will reset all the Wi-Fi related issues, mobile data related issues and the Bluetooth related issues. Tap on reset settings. Again tap on reset setting. You can see network settings have been reset. So simply in this way you can fix all the Wi-Fi related issues in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.